Welcome to the video, YouTube. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing to you a brand new product research tool from Helium 10. So this has just been released. It's extremely effective. I've been using it actually this morning with a student on a one-to-one call, and it's very, very effective. So I'd highly recommend it. I'll keep this video very, very short just to show you guys how it works, introduce you to it, and you can go and play around with it yourself. If you guys aren't subscribed to Helium 10, there are discount links below. Other than that, enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So before we jump into the demonstration, the tutorial for the video, I just want to give you a bit of background. So recently released from Helium 10, new product research tool, as I mentioned in the introduction. Now, this is going to be looking at what is trending on Pinterest. Now, guys, remember, when we're at the early stages of product research, basically our goal is to get an idea, right? We've obviously got to validate that idea moving forward, but initially we need to just have an idea. To be able to validate anything at all, right? We need to start off with an idea. Now, ideas can come from Amazon, actually browsing on Amazon with other techniques that we use, but often ideas start before the product is launched on Amazon, right? Because obviously the idea pops into someone's head, they bring that product to market. It might take 2, 3, 4 months. So you can spot trends earlier, often by looking at what is trending on Pinterest. Now, Helium 10's been very clever. They have interlinked their software with Pinterest, so they're able to do this directly with their app and their software. Now, what this means we can do is on a weekly basis, have a look at what products seem to be trending on Pinterest. Now, I'm going to give you a demonstration and show you how to use the software and how we can actually delve a bit deeper once we've got some ideas and link that with some Amazon product research on Amazon's website. So I hope you find it useful. We'll jump into the tutorial now. So we are actually in my Helium 10 dashboard here. Now, in order to use this software, you'll need to be a paid subscriber to Helium 10 software. Unfortunately, this isn't something that they offer for free, but I would still suggest if you guys want to carry out some product research, to definitely check out their free software first to make sure it's a good fit. It might not suit you. You may not like Helium 10, but personally, I use it, my members use it, and we find it extremely effective, which is why I promote it. So what we're doing here, we're actually having a look at what is trending on Pinterest. Now think about this, guys. Ultimately, we're looking for ideas, right? Ideas that then need to be validated. Now, when a product has reached Amazon, let's say you're browsing, you're using Helium 10 software and you are analyzing products that are selling on Amazon, the idea has already popped into someone's head and they've brought it to market. Now, that could take a number of months, a number of years. If there's 100 products on there for that search term in particular, or even thousands, it might be a saturated niche. Now, if we strip that back, we really want to get back to where the idea was generated. Now, looking at what is trending on Pinterest, you can actually get ideas before they have reached the product launch stage. So an idea, someone's looking for it, people are excited about it, people are enthused about it, and they're searching for it on Pinterest. Now, if you can spot a particular product and do an early validation on it at this stage, it may not have even launched on Amazon yet. Now, that's obviously not the case all the time. It may just give you a product idea that works. There may be high search volume, low competition, high revenue, low reviews. We know the different things that we look for. But if you click that refresh button, I've just refreshed this now, and almost look at this as like a slot machine. It's going to literally regenerate trending words or search terms on Pinterest. Now, there are millions of search terms that trend on Pinterest every year, and we need to be excited about this software. Now, what do we do from here? So let's say you click that button and we see this search term, high protein snacks. Now, you would not have been thinking of that product. Very unlikely you'd have been thinking about that 2 minutes ago or a minute ago before we hit that refresh button. But now we've got an idea, right? So where do we go with this idea? Is it good? Is it bad? Do we move on? Do we refresh and run the, do we roll the roulette again? So what we can actually do is open it in Pinterest firstly. Now, as you can see here, you can see the trend line spike up here, which is why we're seeing this here. More people are searching for it. Now, more product searches on Pinterest, what we find is that that correlates with search volume on Amazon, and as a result of that, in turn, sales for that product on Amazon. So if we have a look at Pinterest here, now what we can do here underneath as well, we can see this is for the UK, we can actually see some related trends that may be of interest to you too. So you can come back to those, you can look at those in your own time. But what is beautiful about this software tool, and you guys probably can tell I am excited about this tool. It's something that I've just included in my Elite Academy training and mentorship course, one of the new software tools that I think people should be using who are members of the Academy, just because it works well. I was on a call this morning with a student using this tool, and we left the session with a number of product ideas. So hit Helium 10. What we can do is analyze product demand on Amazon. Now that's pretty exciting, right? So let's search for that, and we're going to make sure this is set to .co.uk, and we're going to see analysis. Now we can see here that what this has actually done is it is correlated what we have had behind us here, and it has told us that there is a search volume of 2,270 for that product on Amazon. You can see that is actually going up as well, most likely because we're moving into January. So it's actually giving you product ideas, and it is then giving you an opportunity to cross-reference that, should we say, with what's actually going on Amazon. So we can click this again. We're going to go back right off this, and we're going to roll this again. This might not apply every time. Cute fits. Now, I'm going to assume that we're not going to be looking for a product that related to that. So I'm going to keep hitting this refresh button. Small living room ideas. Let's have a look at what that shows up. We can see again the trend line going up. Let's have a look at how that's getting on with product demand on Amazon, and just see non-applicable, right? So this is an example of it not applying to a particular product. So there's two examples there. Protein, high demand, high revenue. Is it a good product idea? You'll need to further validate that, but it sets you on the path of an idea to be able to have an opportunity to validate. We've got lots of videos on the channel how to validate ideas, but this is just giving you the initial ideas and data. So we'll refresh it a few more times, and we'll have a look at what comes up. So indoor plants is what I'm going to have a look at here. So open in Pinterest. Let's have a look and see here. So that's why we've seen a spike in search volume in December, January time. And we are going to open that again on Amazon. And we are going to see whether or not there is an opportunity for this product. Now we can see indoor plants. Now look at this. Look what it's done. It gives you the total revenue figure, the average revenue figure per product, the average selling price per product. And underneath, it's actually linked this with magnet. And we can see here some other keyword terms with their related search volume. Now look at that. Plant pots indoor, 35,000 searches a month. Now, that is an idea that we didn't have 2 minutes ago. And it's something that gives you quick, fast data that you know is being searched for on a well-renowned, recognized platform like Pinterest. And not only that, you can cross-reference it with search volume on Amazon to help you validate that idea. Now, that isn't going to be the only validation you do, as we know there's so many things we need to do to tick all the boxes to make sure that products sell well. But I hope this video gives you a quick introduction and demonstration of how to use this, and I hope it finds you some product ideas. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, comment below. It helps me out so much. Honestly, if you comment below, like the video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.